So, somebody sent me a Happy Mail, and it came from Amazon. And there's no gift note inside, nothing. There was this. I'm really interested to try this Tombow glue. I've never seen this type of Tombow glue, extreme adhesive, the runner or whatever. For some reason I remember somebody asking me if I've ever tried this glue, but I can't remember for the life of me who the hell that was. And so I'm assuming it was that person that might have sent this to me. But that's not all they sent me. And I already took it out of the box. And Spoiled Brat has his own heated blanket. And as you can see, he is happy as a pig in poop right now because it's on low and he is just curled up in that blanket. He is so happy. He has been in there for over an hour. Before that, he was bugging me, but as soon as I have it on low. That's all I'm going to keep it on. Just enough for him to feel warm. And he loves it. Is that your new blankie? He's like, why are you disturbing me, you crazy lady? Do you love your new blankie? Yeah? It's so nice and warm. You love it, huh? He is just so happy. He's so calm and content. You love your new blankie? He's like, yeah, Ma, I love my new blankie. You going night-night in your new blankie? Here, why don't you tuck it up there so you can lay on it? There you go, buddy. He's so happy. But yeah, this is his electric throw. He loves it. As we can see, he's in a sea of leopard. Because on the back of the chair, I also have my other leopard throw, which is not heated. And then this one. So he's in a... Because I love leopard and pink together. I just think it's cool. So whoever got him this, thank you very much. You made a very happy poodle who is going to not bug me anymore. Because now he has... The Spoiled Brat has his own heated throw. And he is just happy. That is the face of happy and calm and warm. He barely has his eyes open. Because he is just that happy. So thank you very much. I don't know who you are. Because I'm sure, hopefully you'll let me know. But you've made this little boy very happy. He's just so freaking excited. I mean, he's not excited, but he's happy. Like, he's just so happy. He's so happy and comfortable. He loves this blanket. Look at him. Spoiled Brat. That's the Spoiled Brat right there in his blanket that's heated. What dog do you know has a heated freaking blanket? I don't know any dog that has their own heated blanket. Well, you saved me from having to try to get one for him, so thank you. Because he was bugging me for mine, because mine's on my chair, and I heat it up in the morning, and I pull it, the sides around, and I curl it around me. And that's when he starts bugging me. Or if I get up from my chair, he will get right into the chair because he thinks that's his blanket and that's where he should be. And it was getting kind of annoying because he would constantly bug me if I had this blanket wrapped around me. He knew that was on. He knew that it's heated. He could just tell by leaning up on it or touching what is hanging here. He knows when it's warm. Like, he knows, and he wants it all the time. And it's kind of annoying because sometimes I just don't want him on top of me. But now I think that problem is now solved, clearly. Because clearly he can care less about being on me because look at the Spoiled Brat. Spoiled Brat is in his glory. Thank you very much to whoever sent this to me. You have made Tigger the happiest puppy. And the most spoiled puppy as well. Bye.